Today I'm going to show you how to install the Osprey turbo heat shield for a Gen 1 B58 on my M240i. What's up YouTube? Welcome back to N55 David. Like I said, today we're going to be installing the Osprey turbo heat shield for a Gen 1 B58, obviously on my 2017 M230, I almost said 235, M240i. And I haven't even opened the box yet for this, and pay no attention to my dirty engine bay because I don't really care. So let's get this open. There's really much to it. This is it. Actually, it looks pretty cool. I like the diamond style kind of textured plating. So how this is going to work is this is just going to go down in here, and it's going to sit above the turbo and the exhaust manifold there, and all the heat comes up, and ideally it kind of hits this, gets trapped here, and this will actually dissipate heat a little better. So the idea is to keep the heat from coming up directly to the airbox or anywhere else in the engine compartment. I'm guessing the results and the data will be negligible, but it was reasonably priced. I think I got it for like 40 bucks, and it doesn't hurt to try it, so we're gonna do that anyways. And if you like the video, guys, if you like the channel, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up. It helps the channel greatly, and I'm basically trying to get the channel to the point to where I can do this on a regular basis and it be monetized, so I can take money, put it back into the car, and continue to create content. I have to do content for the X3, the X35i. I haven't been doing much with that lately, so we're gonna need to start doing some more with that for you guys too. So all right, so let's get right down to it. It should be pretty simple. Tools: ratchet, 13mm socket. And in this case, with this airbox, it's going to be easier for me to pull the airbox out, get a little bit more room. So, and I'm too lazy to find the right socket, so we're just going to use a screwdriver to loosen this up. So this intake's got a little bit of a heat shield on it already, which is nice. Set that to the side. So what we're going to be doing is there's 3 bolts here. We got 1, 2, 3. We're only going to be using 2 of them, and this is just gonna come right down here, and it's gonna sit just like this. So it covers the manifold up top of the turbo. So we need this back bolt and this front bolt. Don't need the extension. These bolts aren't super tight, so you just need to lightly break them loose, get them going. So when we're tightening them back, it's not going to need it doesn't need to be torqued. This is just holding the heat shields on. All right, last thing you want to do is drop these. And because I said that, I'm probably going to drop the front one because it's a little harder to kind of get to the way it sits with the air intake here. And I almost dropped it, and I didn't. I'm so surprised at myself. Alright, so it looks like the easiest way to do this is going to be just get this back one in first. Honestly, I can't really get my fingers on it very well. Let's snug that up just a little bit so it holds it in place. Grab the other front bolt, and if I'm going to drop it, it's going to be now. Nope, didn't drop it. I feel like I won the lottery. All right, they're both snugged up. We're just gonna tighten them down. We don't need to do anything special. Hand tight, and don't need to crank on it. It's just not going to do anybody any good if you strip one of these things or do anything crazy. So we just want them snug, tight enough not to come back out. All right, front's done, and there we go. Boom. All right, I bent mine out a little bit so it doesn't just rattle and hit the top of the turbo there, but that's it. There is nothing else to it, and that's all it takes. So I just got to put the airbox back on, and we're done. Key is making sure that you get the bottom in the groove on these things. Sometimes they just don't want to sit back in right. And this is going to be one of those times. Just not gonna, of course not. Why would I try to do a video and have this work? There we go. So I picked this intake up off Facebook Marketplace, and I don't really like it. I mean, I understand it's a good intake and it replaces all the upper portion of the air intake for the turbo, but it basically came scraped up, scrapped. Just, it was never installed, it was never used, but I don't really know what the deal was, and I got a little bee here that's trying to make friends. But yeah, it looks like trash. I'm not a fan. And this isn't even the right clamp. This isn't the one that's supposed to come with it. This is just one I grabbed at an auto parts store because the one that came from AFE broke. So it was like that. It should be like the right length and everything. This is just longer. I guess I could snip this off, but oh well. But that's it, guys. So that's what it looks like. I think it looks pretty cool down there, and I'm pretty happy with it. And that's it. So again, thanks guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, like I said before, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel, I really appreciate it. You know, comment if you have any questions or anything. I always respond. Hit me up on Instagram at N55David. And that's it. See you next video.